1부터 10까지 말해줘야 알겠지 이렇게나 아픈.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it's been a while since I've been uploading because actually like so much has happened. I actually moved out from my old apartment and I graduated college and now I'm back in Indonesia. So I don't know, I just wanna to upload this video because this is actually like my everyday makeup. So it's pretty orangey. Like I like the orange tones right now. I have no idea why. It's just because it's actually everywhere, especially on Instagram. So I incorporate it to my everyday basis. So if you wanna watch how do I do this look, so just let's get started. And now I'm applying the Peach Corrector Concealer under my eyes. And now I'm applying the green corrector on my cheeks because my cheeks always get red. And then the cushion now. And then now I'm doing my eyebrows with the pencil, followed with the eyebrow powder. I'm applying a brow mascara. And I won't forget to powder under my eyes, on my cheeks, basically all over the face because my face is actually pretty oily. And now I'm grabbing a Laguna bronzer. I'll put it on my cheekbones, basically everywhere. I want to look a little bit tanner. And here I'm grabbing a contouring powder. And now it's time for blush. This is my favorite blush. And now I'm grabbing a liquid highlighter. And just put it on my brow bone, on the top of my cheekbones. I mean, look at that shine. I love it so much. Now onto the shadow. I'm grabbing the lightest one. I'll put it all over my lid. And then the orange ones on the outer corner of my eyes. And guys, don't forget to blend, blend, blend. I'll put the darkest color on the palette and then I grab my bronzer to blend everything out. I know this doesn't look much, but I feel like it defines my eyes. And now I'm applying a liquid eyeliner. It's actually brown. And then I'll curl my lashes, applying mascara. And it's time for lips. I'll grab a orange lip tint and then an orange lip balm. and I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and like, and please comment down below of what you want to see of me doing next, like any makeup look. Okay, thank you, bye.